Welcome to the informative video on creating a source list in SAP using the ME01 transaction code. In this tutorial, I will guide you through maintaining a materials source list, ensuring access to multiple vendors for greater supply chain flexibility. In many companies, single source or buying materials from a single supplier is preferred for simplicity and consistency. However, there are situations where relying on a single supplier is not feasible. That's where source lists come into play. Source lists in SAP enable the creation of lists containing various possible vendors for a specific material, ensuring multiple options in case the preferred supplier cannot meet demands. Let's dive into the process of creating a source list using the ME01 transaction code. Follow these steps to maintain your source list effectively. Open the ME01 transaction code and press Enter. This will bring you to the Maintain Source List initial screen. Begin by entering the material name Boat 2023. Next, enter the plant code ME01. To specify the plant, press Enter to continue. You will be directed to the Maintain Source List overview screen. Now it's time to enter the suppliers and start by defining the validity dates for each supplier. For valid from, choose today's date. For the valid to date, select the corresponding date of the following year. Enter the supplier number 101000. In the purchasing organization field, you enter US 00. Now, for the second supplier, repeat the same steps for defining validity dates. Enter the supplier number 103000. Again, purchasing organization is US 00. Once you have entered all the necessary details, save the source list. You'll be returned to the initial screen, where you will receive a success message indicating that your source list has been changed. Maintaining your source list with multiple vendors for a given material helps ensure a consistent supply chain and enhance the ability to meet demand. Creating a source list in SAP facilitates access to different vendors, providing flexibility and mitigating risks associated with a single supplier.